Across the globe, abandoned factories, empty subway tunnels, and forgotten alleyways have become unlikely sanctuaries, not for people, but for cats. In the past decade, cats have begun to reclaim these urban ruins, forming complex colonies and redefining the spaces left behind by humans. Their presence isn't random, it's strategic. These feline pioneers use shattered windows as lookout posts, sunbathe on crumbling rooftops, and patrol silent corridors in groups. By occupying these forgotten places, cats aren't just surviving, they're shaping new urban ecosystems.